All right, hi everybody. It's Paul here with your Manager Minute, and today we're talking about manager one-on-ones. If you manage people or you direct large teams, this one's for you. And look, there's a lot of confusion on this topic, and there really doesn't need to be. I'm going to teach you a system of 4 simple touch points that totally works. So before we get into these 4 touch points, I got to tell you, these one-on-ones, it's their time. It's not boss time. If you're using these meetings to give them assignments, that's a fail. You got to be primarily in listening mode. We'll do another video on that later. The first of the 4 touch points is the weekly one-on-one. And my pro tip here is you got to have quality one-on-one time, okay? Don't be phony, but don't skip it. Example, if you go for lunch with the person, remember lunch before COVID? That counts. You don't have to force a meeting if you had lunch and talked about work. But if you've only worked with the person in a group setting, well, that doesn't count. You have to have that one-on-one touch point every single week. The next touch point is a coaching monthly. What's that, you say? Why on earth would you need a coaching monthly if you're already meeting with them weekly? It's real simple. Let me give you a sports analogy. Those weekly one-on-ones, those are meetings that are happening during the game itself. The coaching monthly, that's something that happens between games. We'll do another video to dive into those details. That next touch point, that would be a quarterly goal setting meeting. Now look, everybody needs goals, but so many people are doing a phony job of this, and so many people are just cynical on goals. They set goals that are useless or completely evident. We're gonna do another video on goal setting, but you gotta have some checkpoint quarterly on this. And the final touch point is everyone's favorite, the annual performance review. Now look, the number one question I get is how can I improve performance reviews? And I'm going to give you my number one tip right now. It is have all of the touch points. If the only touch point you have is the annual performance review, I can't help you. It's not going to go well. I'm going to leave you the materials for these 4 touch points, a PDF and a Notion link. Use them, get busy.